The drones that we're seeing deployed are the first manifestation of a robotics revolution. My name is Professor David Dunn. I am Head of Department of Political Science and International Studies at the University of Birmingham. Our interest in drones at the University of Birmingham is multifaceted. The Policy Commission looked at every aspect of drones, not just the ones that make the headlines with regard to the use of armed drones in Pakistan, Afghanistan and elsewhere, but actually the whole range of implications that follow from what is in effect a robotic revolution.
The reason why drones attract so much attention, I think, is primarily connected with the way in which they are being used in public discourse. On the one hand, and in particular in the United States, what we find is that drones are seen as a very convenient and to a large extent effective tool. On the other hand, we have a slightly different discourse in Europe, in particular where the concerns about both the legality and the legitimacy of using drones is much more prominent. So in that sense, we have two rather different narratives.
And the precedent set by particularly American use of drones in Pakistan, Yemen and elsewhere creates alarming prospects as to what that precedent does for the use of armed force by remote systems in non-recognised battlefields. And we've just been awarded a large grant from the Open Society Foundation to look at European attitudes towards the use of armed drones for targeted killing purposes, and to see if we can identify a consensus, possibly for regulation and international agreement on what the parameters should be for the use of this type of force in these circumstances.